In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside of text in Google Slides. This technique can add a dynamic and visually appealing touch to your presentations, making your slides stand out and giving them a professional, creative flair. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You'll need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage, where you can see any presentations you might have already created. For our tutorial, click on Blank Presentation. This gives us a clean, fresh canvas to work with and helps keep everything organized. Now that you're on a blank slide, it's time to add some text. Click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down options, select Word Art. Word Art is a powerful tool in Google Slides that lets you create text with unique and customizable styling. A text box will appear where you can type the word or phrase you want to fill with your image. Enter your text and press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Your text will now appear on the slide in a bold outline, ready for some creative customization. Now comes the exciting part, placing the image inside the text. Click on your Word Art text to select it. You should see blue squares around the edges and corners indicating it's ready to be edited. Next, navigate to the Format options in the toolbar. This will open a side panel with customization settings. Scroll down to find the Fill Color option. Instead of selecting a solid color, click on the Image option. You can upload an image from your computer or search the web for the perfect picture that complements your slide's style. Once you've selected Insert, and the image will fill your text, creating a striking and visually appealing effect. You can resize or reposition the text to better fit your slide layout. This technique isn't just limited to titles. It's a great way to highlight key points, headings, or special sections of your presentation. Play around with different fonts, images, and sizes to see what works best for your slides. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an image inside of text in Google Slides. Experiment with this method to create eye-catching slides that will impress your audience and make your presentations truly memorable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you add a creative touch to your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.